Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a haul from everything I got in May. I have Piper Paper Co., Scribble Prints Co., and Glam Planner. So let's get started. I'm going to start with all of the Piper Paper Co. So I have two freebies. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. Alright, so I have these two freebies. They are on matte paper because I did place two orders. And I got these mini, like they're called mini deco. I have a bunch of them. Let me see if I can. So these are actually like really, really small. Like I didn't know they were this small, but they were only $1, I think. So I got this one that is avocado. This one is ice cream, and I think right now they are on $1 sale again. So this is cold brew. I got two of them, and then I got two of this computer deco. Now when I say these are so small, like look how tiny they are. Like they're pretty much for littles. Some of them are a little bit bigger. I guess it just depends on, you know, which one. This is a laptop flat lay. Ice cream. Look how many there are. Oh my god. Watering cans. This is computer deco. Cleaning list. Ice cream cart. Baby onesies. Cleaning caddy. Sorry. Hand sanitizer. A beer bottle. I already used one. And then black Rover deco. I use these just because I like to have car icons. So my husband does some detailing, so it's always nice to have those. And then I also bought some scripts. So this one, here, let me, hold on. There, better. This one is work from home. Get some fresh air. Supply run. Family time. Clean everything. Because that's literally what I do all day. And then I got these scripts. So let me zoom back out now because so this is like a full size sheet. And then I'll zoom in. The work is like really dainty. If you look in my Plan With Me's, I've used these. And then I also got a workout one. So they're really nice. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to do part 1 of Glam Planner because I'm going to save the mystery kit for last. I got this, which is Teeny and Bop. Well, this is Bippity and Boo hugging mom. I thought that was cute. And then Teeny Tots baby bath. She's been doing all these Teeny Tots, super cute. And then this is Kisma working because this is how most people are when they're working. And then I did order this, it was from the Mother's Day one because I feel like this is something you can kind of use like in any spread if you're doing something with your kid or if you're pregnant. Like, I don't know, I just thought this was like a good little sampler kind of to have. So I got this freebie. I ordered a lot of foil. So this is, I guess, rose gold. Yeah, you can't even tell. But it's rose gold. And then I did get some scripts. So there we go. Okay. So I got film, edit, and upload. Got a bunch of them because I think they were on sale in the silver because I really only use silver. And then I got this, which was the summer bucket list here. So I like those. And then I got the Marvel one. And again, I only get them in silver. And then this is holidays. Again, only in silver. And then I did buy full box extenders, the matte ones, or no, these aren't matte, I don't know, whatever, the ones that were on sale. Oh, I got 10 of them because there's a lot here. Yeah, so I haven't ever used them before, but I figured why not try them, especially because they were on a really good sale. And this is the journaling card I got with it. Super cute. Okay. And then I did order 3 Ultimate Kit Misfit, like, whatevers. I love this one. I'm so happy I got it. The Haunted Magic. So I'll be saving this for Halloween. Because it was the ultimate grab bag. I might try to see if I can get the glitter headers. Because now I said I bought 3 of them. So if you look at my plan with me that I posted Tuesday, I got the I Do Beach Kit. I had to use it because last week was my 5-year wedding anniversary, so I used that one right away. I guess I'll go through it. And since I used it already, I can tell you that I didn't see any glitches. So, and the freebie is this one right here in gold. So this is the kit. I love these boxes. And I love these colors. So I'm happy I already have a Halloween kit. So cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go on and look for the glitter headers so I have them. And then the other one I got was, what is this? Princess Party, which you can use for anyone's birthday. My girlfriend, her daughter is like 2 months younger than my daughter, so it'll be her birthday soon, so I can always use it for that. We'll see. But this is super cute. I love it. I like the pink. You can see what kind of extras it had too. How cute. How stinking cute. It's like all of the Disney stuff. I love it. Yeah, I'll have to see what like other boxes or anything it has in the shop. Love it. Okay. And then like I said, the third one I got was I Do, which was like the beachy wedding kit. So if you want, I will link in a card and below the plan with me using that kit so you can see it. Now, the next 2 kits are mysteries. So it was the most recent Glam Planner mystery kit. So it's now June, so it was the May one. So that's what I'm going to show first. I'm going to show the teenies. So there's this one of like the teenies just staring out the window. Teenies celebrating. And then these just like, I guess it's supposed, they're all, Tiger King. Stop. And then she did also send a replacement for the gardening teenies from last month's mystery. I didn't see anything wrong with them, so now I just have double, and I just got a garden, so excited. And then this is the double box for the mystery kit. Guys, it's so gorgeous. This is the label sampler, glitter sampler, and then these are the extra boxes, so you can be like graduation, wedding, a baby, or like, you know, birthday. So here are the girls. They're so cute. And then this one came with some rose gold overlays, so she always does some great overlays. And then this is for, you know, guys, hello. Guys, how gorgeous is this? I don't know if I want to use this for when we have the bridal shower for the girl I am the maid of honor for, or the little paper prints one that I have that has foil on it and is like specifically like Miss to Mrs. So, oh, so beautiful. And then with the little rainbows in the background, this is really cute. What's this stuff? What's happening here? Just 1 or 2 pages. What's going on? I don't know. It feels really thick for some reason. Okay. And the extra boxes. My daughter's trying to come up the steps, guys. Really, really like it. And then the SPC June 2020 mystery. Let me open it because I didn't even open it yet. Guys, it's picnic theme. So here are your extra girl boxes. I like how they're all kind of doing something different. The 15mm label add-on. I mean, glitter header add-on, and then this is the label add-on. Full boxes. I'm gonna use it in August. This is that new page. Deco. I do notice her deco's gotten bigger. Oh my god, my daughter's up here with a balloon.
Hey, Mom.
Hi.
I'll help you.
You can't. You're stepping. Go, 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 go. And then the journaling card, which is really cute. And then it came with the wiggle. So this is the new like freebie. It's the foil. It's the bows, food, regular icons, and this looks like it's just like regular silver. And then the 3 boxes with the headers, pad cut headers, and 2 overlays, icons, scripts, and 15mm washi. So yeah, that is everything I got in the month of May. Yeah, let me know below what your favorite stuff I got was in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.